Okay, so with the next video, this question is asking us to prepare current accounts, and in order for us to prepare current accounts, we need information from the profit and loss appropriation account. So I think we're going to prepare the statement of profit and loss appropriation account here. Then we do the current accounts maybe down. Yes, we're going to do them from down here. So in order for us to prepare the appropriation account, we're going to draw these two lines. I think maybe it can be enough. Okay, so the first thing to appear is our net profit. So in some questions, for this type of questions, you require to prepare the profit and loss yourself so much that you are going to arrive at a net profit. Then you are going to proceed with the other requirements. So in our case, the net profit has already been calculated for us, saying the net profit before any distribution and appropriation as a Chanchanun was 70,000. So the net profit there is 70,000, which is the first thing to appear. And for appropriation account, what we are going to do, we are going to add our interest on drawings. Interest on drawings, we have two people. What are the names of the people? We have Mojo and Moma. So we have Mojo and Moma. Okay, so the question was saying Mojo and Moma have run a partnership for 1 year. The partnership agreement is to share their profits in the ratio of 1:1, that is half. Okay, each partner is entitled to 10% on the capital per annum, interest on capital per annum. Mojo and Moma have invested 10,000, this one is 20,000, and capital respectively. Okay, Mojo is entitled to a salary of that, and Moma 5,000. Interest is charged on partners' drawings at 2,000 and 1,500. Okay, so the interest on drawings has already been calculated for us, saying Moma, otherwise it is always given as a percentage. They'll tell you 5%, then 5% on the drawings figure that is there. We're going to find the drawings, interest on drawings. So in this case, Mojo, the interest on drawings is 2,000. Moma is 1,500. It's already been calculated for us. So this is going to be a 2,500. So 2,000 plus 1,500 is a, no, sorry, it's a 3,500. Okay, so plus our 70,000. This is 73,500. 73,500. Okay, we're going to list our appropriations. Under appropriations, we have interest on capital as well as salaries. That's all. So we have interest on capital, that is for Mojo as well as Moma. So interest on capital, the question was saying 10% interest on capital here, 10% on capital per annum. So since Mojo was 100,000, 10% is going to be 10,000. Then for Moma it was 200,000, so 10% of that is going to be 20,000. When you add that, we're going to have a 30,000 here. Then salaries, we have Mojo and we have Moma. So our Mojo, our salaries, they're saying partners. Where? Okay, so Mojo is entitled to a salary of 3,000 and Moma 5,000. So this one is a 3,000, Moma 5,000. So since we are subtracting, that's why I'm putting in brackets. So we have 30,000 on top there. Sorry, you can put them outside brackets because we need the total to be subtracted. So we have 30,000 plus 3,000 plus 5,000. This is a 38. Okay. So since we need to subtract this in full now, we're going to subtract it from 73,500. So we have a 35,500 as our devaluation profit. Then next we're going to do our share of profits. So we have Mojo as well as Moma. Okay, so they're saying half. So half, one to one. 1 to 1 means when you add the total, the first one is going to be 1 over the total, which is 2, multiplied by 35,500. So when you divide by that by 2, this one you will be getting a 17,750, as well as this one also. Sorry, I'm supposed to do it from down here. It's going to give us a 17,750. This one as well, since it's half, 35,500. This is going to be 17,750 as well. At the total, we have a 35,500. Okay, that's all for our profit and loss appropriation account. Now the question was asking us to prepare the current account. So we cannot prepare current accounts without the appropriation account. This is what we had to go through in order to find the items that we'll need in the current accounts. So for the current accounts, I think I'm going to use one space, which is down here. So this line is dividing our debit from the credit side. Okay, debit and credit. Okay, so we have two partners. I'm going to draw two lines here, and also that side two lines there, like that. So this is for Mojo, this is Moma, this is Mojo, Moma. Okay, so we are supposed to start with our opening balances for the current balances for the previous year, but in our case we don't have information containing balances for the current accounts. Okay, so due to that, we're going to start with remember on the debit side, we only have drawings, and drawings in the question, drawings in the question, okay, 2,000 for Mojo, no sorry, that is interest on drawings. Okay, okay, drawings during the year where Mojo 6,000 and Moma 5,000. So Mojo 6,000, Moma 5,000, and then also on the debit side we have interest on drawings as well. So interest on drawings, they were already there calculated for us. So we had the 2,000, this one 1,5. Then on the credit side we have interest on capital. Interest on capital, remember it was 10%, so that one was 100,000, so 10% is going to be 10,000 as well. Then this one is going to be 20,000. Okay, then next we need our salaries. Salaries were given Mojo 3,000, Moma 5,000. Okay, then we need share of profits. Share of profits, this one was a 17,750, this one also 17,750. So that's so for the current accounts that we're going to balance them. I think this side is greater, so we have a 20,000 that side. That is for Moma, 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 17,750. This is 42,750. That is just for Moma, 42,750. Okay, so 42,750, when you subtract the debit side of Moma, which is 1,5 minus 5,000, there's a balance of 36,250 as our balance. That is for Moma. Then Mojo as well, we have a 10,000 this side plus 3,000 plus 17,750. This is a 37,50. 37,50. When you subtract the debit side, which is 6,000 minus minus 2,000, there's a balance of 22,750. So that's all with the partners current accounts. Okay, so the next question was supposed to prepare an income statement as well as a financial position, but this question I'm not really familiar because there's no sales, there's not a lot of things. In short, I've just been given assets and liabilities. Maybe I do research, then I'll come back to this one. Otherwise, that's all for this question, which is our last paper. Thank you.